Okay, I'm here with...
Kachi,
When po kayo nag-start mag-running?
December 2023.
Okay. So, ano po yung nag-encourage sa inyo mag-run?
Actually, at first, weight loss lang yung habol ko
Okay.
talaga.
So far, sa pag-run nyo, ano po yung parang pinaka most memorable experience nyo na
Aha.
nag-stuck lang talaga?
Siguro yung first time ko nag 5K na sub 30.
Okay?
Kasi yun yung yung sinasabi nilang your mind gives up before your body does. Kailangan, huwag ka makinig sa utak mo. Don't believe the demons. Just keep running dahil kaya na katawan mo.
And last question po, ano po yung mapapaya natin sa mga beginners lang na gusto lang mag-start mag-running and
Siguro just enjoy. Don't think about your pace, don't think about the distance. Just think of it as your alone time.
thank you so much.